Okay. Sound. Sound working. Okay. All right. Let's just. Okay. So, we're gonna go shopping. What for? We'll figure it out. I'm making food for you. Okay, what are we gonna make? I don't know what we're gonna make. Let's just start looking around. I see clamato. Nope. This is not gonna be a drunk kitchen. And if it is, that's for me to know. Okay, I found gummy bears. We got gummy bears. All right, let's go. Wait, I wonder if they have chorizo. Chorizo! Hell yeah! Alright. We got a chorizo. So if we're gonna go this way, we're gonna do chorizo tacos and... Ooh, I need to Google how to... So, the complete thing of what we're making today is we're going to be making a chorizo taco with pickled red onions and cilantro. You know, anyways. So we're going to start off by making the pickled red onions. This whole thing's going to be a journey. So, prepare yourselves. All right, onion. So if you can't tell, my ADHD is gonna get the best of me throughout this entire thing. Bow. Insert graphics here. Oh, I need a knife. Oh! Oh, this is, oh god, this is already getting into my eyes. Okay. I'm just gonna say, don't do what I'm doing with a knife. I don't know what the f I'm doing. What the, do I have a fucking cut on my finger? Onion juice just dripped in to a cut on my finger. Eh? Do you want to be clickbait? Do you want to be clickbait? Come here. Come here. So we are just going to thinly slice this. Hopefully. We've got our onion. And now I guess we're just going to get our boiling, because this is probably going to be the part that's like the most time consuming. Now I'm not doing this in a pot because I don't feel like boiling water on a stove. I could have just bought pickled red onions. All right, so we're gonna set that water to boil, and while we're doing that, actually, I'm just gonna get the rest of the brine ready. So from that, we have apple cider vinegar, black peppercorn, kosher salt. Please tell me we have. I don't want to use table salt. Actually, no, table salt will work though. Yeah, but no, the salt's gonna dissolve. What am I about? Oh boy. Okay, so it's table salt and I should have grabbed it while I was over here already. It's sugar. So we're going to do 3/4 cup. Apple cider vinegar, teaspoon of salt, now I'm just gonna get some 2 teaspoons of sugar, and the water's already boiling. Okay, and then a teaspoon of peppercorns. We're just going to pour in our boiling water. All right. And just stir this up to dissolve. So we're just going to put all of our onions, kind of pick them up. You really should do this into a jar. Oh, son of a... And we will pour the brine in. Get that last peppercorn. And so then what you're gonna do is just gonna stir it around, push the onion down in there, just so that you can get it all covered. Okay, so then this is just gonna sit. And yeah. So then in a few minutes, we're gonna have some delicious pickled red onions. I am going to make up the chorizo. Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're just going to slit these open. Straight down the middle. All right, so we have our pan very hot, and just going to put a little bit. You just need a little tiny bit of oil in the pan because the chorizo, that is more than I wanted in the pan. Yeah, so just right here, I am just pushing out the chorizo into the pan, and honestly, you can just push it out and just peel it off. And you got that there. Anyway, so you're going to just put it in the pan. Make sure you get all the chorizo out of the casing. So now this is gonna get very loud, and you're gonna turn. No, it's not that bad. But you're just gonna want to break up all of the meat in the pan. Okay, so this here, heat-wise, is done, so I'm just going to take it off the heat and right close to the camera, of course. But there's still a couple things I want to do with it. It's just kind of add some spices. Because, I mean, chorizo is already, it's got some spice to it. But I want to add a little bit more. Little bit of cumin in there. Some cayenne. And then a little paprika. Like that, and mix it up. And your meat is pretty much good. So from there, you're just gonna get a plate out and just get a little plate. And yeah, I'm just gonna put her right in there. Just in that same pan, I'm gonna put some of those pickled red onions in there. And you're just gonna fry those up. This, since I am not cursed with amazing time, which is some store-bought tortillas. Just gonna do 2 of them. Got those 2 tortillas down, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put those onions, just the fried ones, or orange ones, just on the bottoms. Oh, I forgot to grate cheese. I knew I was gonna forget something. What we're gonna do is we're going to take some meat. Okay, well, it came out, and because it was, my view was kind of blocked, we are definitely cheesy. We're just going to grab some cilantro leaves. And because I hate myself even a little more, just for fun, we're gonna add a little salsa on there. Now, I know food people are gonna be like, just what the entire hell is this? It's what I want. It's an experiment. Alright, yeah, so we have our Chorizo Tacos there. And I am gonna take a bite. Yeah, so this is definitely very filled. It's, wish me luck. That's not bad. That's not bad. That is good. Okay. So, I think I found a success here, actually. Any food critics have any critiques? Go away. Go away. I don't care. This is good.
Okay, yeah, so while editing this, spice level, big mistake, as I found out later that day, into the night, early morning, and up until about noon the next day. Big mistake.